This classic Filipino rice cake is the ultimate Christmas treat. Topped with salted eggs and grated coconut. That will make you come back for more. Try this delicious bibingka recipe you can easily make at home. Start by heating banana leaves over stove flames for a few seconds, or until slightly softened. Cut leaves into circles and place at the bottom of a round pan. Brush banana leaves with butter. Banana leaves keep the rice cake from sticking and gives an incredible aroma. Set the pan aside for the meantime. In a mixing bowl, dip in rice flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Whisk dry ingredients until well combined. Next, add coconut milk. Beaten eggs. And melted butter. Stir until fully incorporated. And the batter is smooth and no traces of flour is left. Optionally, you can add a bit of food coloring if you fancy. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes or halfway cooked. Remove from pan and top with salted egg. Bake again until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Brush softened butter and garnish with grated coconut. Serve warm and enjoy. If you like this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.